Imagine this. Humans disappear overnight. In an instant, the bustling cities and crowded streets are left eerily silent. The world as we know it comes to a standstill. One moment we are here, the next gone, vanished without a trace. Parks that once echoed with laughter now stand silent, playgrounds abandoned, and public squares empty. A world without our presence, our influence, a distant memory. Nature begins to reclaim what was once hers, with plants creeping over buildings and wildlife venturing into urban areas. What happens to our planet when its dominant species exits the stage? Highways become empty stretches of asphalt. Factories fall silent, and construction sites are left unfinished. The immediate changes are subtle. Sidewalks gather litter, lawns grow wild, and countryside roads become eerily quiet. Lights flicker and die as power grids shut down. The once bright city skylines turn dark and streetlights flicker before going out completely. The constant hum of human activity falls silent, replaced by an unsettling stillness. Shopping malls, subway stations, and office buildings stand deserted. Cities, once teeming with life, stand empty, monuments to a vanished civilization. Historic landmarks, once bustling with tourists, now stand as silent witnesses to a world that once was. Within days, the urban landscape begins its transformation. Untended, the pristine lawns and manicured gardens of our homes surrender to nature's relentless advance. Cracks appear in roads and pavements, providing fertile ground for opportunistic weeds. Buildings, once symbols of human achievement, begin their slow decline. Without regular maintenance, rust eats away at metal structures, while wind and rain erode concrete facades. Over time, nature, in its quiet persistence, reclaims its dominion. With humans gone, the animal kingdom experiences a resurgence. No longer confined by urban sprawl or threatened by hunting, wildlife populations begin to rebound. Deer graze in abandoned parks, their numbers no longer kept in check by human intervention. In the oceans, marine life flourishes. Fish populations, once depleted by overfishing, recover and thrive in the absence of human interference. Coral reefs, freed from the stress of pollution and climate change, begin to heal, their vibrant colors returning. Section 4. A breath of fresh air. The planet heals. The environmental benefits of a humanless world are undeniable. Nature begins to reclaim its space, flourishing in the absence of human interference. Wildlife returns to habitats once lost to urban sprawl and deforestation. Without our constant pollution, the air and water begin to clear. The skies, once grey and heavy with smog, turn a brilliant blue, and the rivers, once murky and toxic, run clear and pure. The smog that choked our cities dissipates, revealing clear blue skies. Urban areas, once plagued by pollution, now breathe easier with cleaner air and healthier environments for all living creatures. Rivers and lakes, once polluted by industrial waste and agricultural runoff, regain their sparkle. Aquatic life begins to thrive again, and ecosystems start to restore their natural balance. The planet's temperature begins to stabilize as greenhouse gas emissions plummet. With fewer pollutants in the atmosphere, the climate starts to show signs of recovery, offering hope for a more sustainable future. The effects of climate change, while not immediately reversed, are slowed, giving the Earth a much-needed respite. This pause allows nature to heal and regenerate, showcasing the resilience and beauty of our planet. Section 5. A world reborn, nature's enduring symphony. Centuries after our disappearance, the Earth tells a different story. The once bustling metropolises, filled with the hum of human activity, have transformed into silent green sanctuaries. Cities, once symbols of human dominance, are now unrecognizable, swallowed by vegetation. The concrete jungles have given way to real jungles, with flora and fauna reclaiming their space. Their towering structures softened by a blanket of green, these urban landscapes have become a testament to nature's resilience and power. The planet has returned to a state of balance, its ecosystems thriving in the absence of human interference. Wildlife roams freely where streets once bustled with cars, and rivers flow clean and unimpeded. The disappearance of humanity, while a poignant thought experiment, serves as a stark reminder of our profound impact on the planet. It shows how quickly nature can heal and adapt when left undisturbed. It underscores the urgent need for a more sustainable path, one that respects the delicate balance of our ecosystems. We must learn from this vision of a world without us, a path where humans and nature can coexist in harmony. By integrating green spaces into our urban planning and adopting eco-friendly practices, we can create cities that benefit both people and the planet. A world without us may heal, but it is within our power to foster a world where both humanity and nature thrive together. A world with us, working in concert with nature, holds the promise of a brighter future. Together, we can create a symphony of life that endures for generations to come.